Hello you guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Tawana, and of course by the title today you can tell that we're going to be doing a bit of a clean girl makeup look for the black girls. So this is obviously when I'm done with the makeup look. You guys can get a little bit of what I was going for here. Very clean, minimalistic, neutral, and glowy. Like you want a natural glow from your clean girl makeup look. I do want to say before we jump in, thank you to Merit for sponsoring today's video. We have some beautiful products from them. These are just a couple of the products, which are their new signature lip lightweight lipstick. You guys, just stay tuned for that. That's all I'm gonna say. And if you're not familiar with Merit, they are basically a minimalistic brand. You know, they're cruelty-free, vegan, definitely everything that the clean girl makeup look embodies. So I thought that was a perfect way to kind of just bring it all together for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and now let's get into this little clean girl makeup look. Okay you guys, so to start off our little clean girl makeup look, I'm gonna go in first with actually doing my brows. I will tell you guys, I did use just a little bit of The Ordinary hyaluronic acid, just all of my face, you know, on damp skin, because we want our skin to be a little glowy, dewy, you know, clean, like the makeup look says. So I did go in with that a couple minutes ago, and I do want to do my brows real quick here. And to do my brows, I'm going to be using two products. One of them is actually from Merit right here. Let me see if I can focus it in for you guys. So the first one here is the Merit Volumizing Pomade. But basically this is going to give me like the really nice, thick, dark, fluffy brows that I want. Right here, you guys see what it looks like, and I love the application. So literally I'm gonna, you know, fluff out my brows first with this, and I'm gonna just fill in a little bit on the edges right here because it's a little thinner with my with my actual eyebrow pencil. So I'll be right back because I cannot do my brows for the life of me on camera, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so filled in the brows like you can see right here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use a pomade again. I did use it first before I filled in my brows, but I'm gonna take a little bit more of this and fluff out the brows again. And it's really helpful because it actually acts like a little bit of like a hold. So we love a 2-in-1 product. So I'm really loving like this little Merit pomade right here. So yeah, fluffing out the brows a little bit more, makes it look really full and just clean, minimalistic. That's what we want, that's what we need. Okay, then I'm just gonna do a little bit of my primer on my skin, of course, all over my face. This is gonna help keep the skin looking, you know, glowy again. But the makeup itself, we're not doing a heavy amount per se. So I'm also not gonna use like a ton of primer. All right, this is just my Fenty Beauty primer I've had forever that I use, so nothing new. It is hydrating as well, so we need that, of course, just for any makeup look. Next up, I'm going to put a very light layer of foundation, just from Maybelline here, my Fit Me. Like I said, it's very light. We're not using a lot of this foundation. It's not full coverage either, which is what we want. Especially right now, it is the springtime, so, you know, who really wants to have thick layers of makeup on, because it is a little warmer out right now. So I feel like this is really perfect for that, you know, lesser coverage look, no makeup look type of vibe. I'm gonna focus in on the spots where I have a little discoloration, guys, which is kind of here on my cheek, and I think I have like one spot up here as well. You guys can notice it on the side. So that's where I'm gonna concentrate the foundation of my makeup. Everywhere else is just gonna pat dry and let it blend in itself, you know. Again, right here, concentrating it on kind of the spots I know that need the more coverage than others. Definitely around my eye. I'm also patting like on my eyelid because I'm not actually going to be doing shadow or anything for this look right here. Very, very minimal. Get all in the corners with that excess or whatever's left on the sponge, or if it's a brush you're using, of course. You can see like what little I'm actually using. This is going to do my forehead. This is the last bit I'm missing. And honestly, I'm only using this a little bit on my forehead because I don't really have a lot of like dark spots or discoloration on this part of my face, which is great. So I don't need that much coverage as well. All right, once we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. And for the concealer, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape, guys. It is very dirty, I'm sorry. It's a messy type of concealer, honestly. But I'm gonna use a little bit, again, underneath my eyes, down, you know, the nose, and a little bit also on my chin right here. That's it. Literally, I'm gonna do a dot right here in the crevice of my eye. Here again on the other side. Smallest dot on the middle of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also here. Okay. I'm gonna use a damp sponge right here and just blend it down. And this is gonna spread in, so right here in the nook, the corner of my eyes, and all the way down, as well as to the sides of the eye. So we're gonna use all of this to cover this area right here. The good thing about this is very lightweight concealer. And you honestly don't even need a lot, even if you're not doing like a clean girl look. Very little of this goes a long way. So it's very versatile in that case. I'm gonna use the butt right here to do my chin. And then I'm gonna just drag it, literally drag it across the sides. You don't want it too concentrated. And honestly, dampening your sponge like before putting your concealer is the best thing you can do. It's gonna be able to spread it a little easier for you. So be sure that you actually just have like a spray bottle. You spritz a little bit of water on there and you can use that before applying your concealer. Okay, so I'm done with that. And honestly, I'm just gonna do a quick, like, not even baking. I'm just gonna set, use a little setting powder here on the same place where I just applied my concealer. And this is just my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm using the same sponge, little, blender sponge that I used. And we're gonna apply it underneath again on the chin and a little on my nose. This much I'm gonna use for like both under eyes. Like I said, we're not actually baking. We just wanna make sure, we keep our concealer from creasing, really. So use that little bit again on both sides, and I'm just gonna now tap it in lightly. Again, in the corner of my eyes, dragging it out nicely to the sides as well, just so that we can get proper coverage of where I actually applied that concealer earlier. Why do you make that face? Like, I still do it like this. Then again, I'm using the butt of the actual beauty blender, and I'm gonna apply the chin area and just drag it again to the sides where I kind of put the, the remaining of the concealer on. And lastly, of course, a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna go in with like a highlight, but not really a highlight. I'm gonna be using the Merit Complexion Perfecting Stick. Just looks like this right here. And this is in the shade Sepia. And you can see like it's really close to my actual skin tone. That's why I'm saying like it's not really a highlight, but it is gonna give a little bit more definition just here to the sides of my face. And I absolutely love this product because it goes on so creamy. So I'm gonna start here at the edge and just bring it out a little bit right here. So again, it's not a highlight fully, but kind of is. Adds very, very light definition to your face. Also the lip here. I'm also gonna do down here as well. Just to offset that little contour that we did. I'm literally just gonna buff her out real smooth. Just buffing her out really nice. It's really smooth, so it's very easy to blend into your actual skin. You can hardly see that where I put it on now. Any no sharp lines, none of that. Now I'm just dragging it out to that area that you would kind of highlight. I just love the feeling of this, y'all. It is so smooth, so creamy. This could also be used like a little bit of a foundation stick if you wanted. Now we're going to do a very light coverage of powder. This is just my Sephora branded powder here. I'm going to use that same brush I just did here with this one. Tap, tap. We don't want a lot, like I told you guys. Very clean, minimalistic look. And I'm just going to brush this all over, of course. I'm looking in a big mirror on the side of me, guys, if you're wondering I'm looking right now. It's just a little bit easier for me to see what I'm doing on this one. And I'm going to obviously put it underneath where I had the concealer. So there's no harshness, no whiteness when the sunlight hits your skin, because that's like the worst thing you want. You want this to look as natural as possible. And that is it for the powder. Now we're going to focus in on my eyes, and it's just basically two products. Of course, we have eyeliner. This one I think is just my e.l.f. eyeliner, nothing special. And then I have me some Merit actual mascara. Guys, do you see the bottle, how black it is? Y'all see how black this bottle is? This is like a true representation of the product. So you'll see it in a minute. Let me apply, of course, the eyeliner first and then come back to our mascara. And for the eyeliner, you literally want to keep it like as close to your lash line as possible. Like literally almost in your lash line. Because again, you don't want like a bold, harsh line of the eyeliner. It's clean girl makeup. We want everything to be kind of like minimalistic, like it's there but not really there. So applied the eyeliner and we're gonna go in with the Merit mascara right now. Let me show you guys how, like I said, how black this is. Like literally, the blackest of blacks. Hold on. Look at that product, you guys. So dark. Love it. Gonna apply to the top lid first. Well, top lashes. And this just elongates so nicely. I think like this is honestly my favorite mascara that I've owned. Because look at the difference. Can y'all even see? Like, definition, low definition, high definition. Like, literally. Follow suit on my left eye real quick here. And that's the top lashes. Let's do the bottom. Liner is on and done. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush right here on my cheeks because again, I do want a little color in my face and not it to be matte. And I'm gonna be using my NARS Exhibit A bit of blush. Now it is very pigmented, so I'm not gonna use too much of this at all. Look at the color already. Y'all see that cheek? Rosy red. And just blending in nicely right here. Literally putting it right over where I use my little complexion stick. Doing the same on the other cheek, of course. And yeah, that is definitely enough color for this look. Okay, so basically we've done the entire face and we're gonna focus on, you know, the pièce de résistance, which is the lips. And I'm really excited for this because today we're gonna be using out Merit's new signature lightweight lipstick, which literally just launched, you guys. It is out today, like as I speak. It's out in stores, on the website, on Sephora.com as well. So if you guys wanna, you know, pick this up, obviously I'll give you guys my affiliate link down below. You can shop through that. And I'm gonna just tell you guys, these colors are amazing. They have so many. So I'm gonna show you guys these two that, you know, they sent me, gifted of course, which I think are perfect for today's look. I'm gonna use one over the other, of course, but it'll be perfect not only for clean girl makeup looks, for everyday makeup, night out, like so many great colors. So first off, I'm gonna show you guys L'Avenue, and it is a beautiful, you guys, I don't know if you know, but I love me some brown. It is this gorgeous chocolatey brown lipstick. Look how pretty that is. Perfect for a minimal look, perfect for everyday, perfect for night outs. And I just love brown. I feel like brown is the color of the past couple years. So it's definitely, you know, on trend in style. And this is so creamy and luxurious. You guys see it? And I hope you guys appreciate it for what it is because it is definitely something else. So that's L'Avenue. And then I also picked up Cabo. Let me show you guys what Cabo looks like. She's more of like a spicy light orange. And I love this one as well. Look at that. Almost like orange red, but not really. But yeah, I also love this color right here. Just a side-by-side comparison for you guys. And they have a ton of other colors on the website. I just wanted something more neutral, but still with color. And today we're gonna be using the brown, so L'Avenue, on my lips right here. Let's apply her. This is so creamy. Oh my God. Very lightweight, you guys. Let's also appreciate this lovely packaging that they did. I love it because it is a great representation of the actual product. It's got like this translucent silhouette all around it. And I've done like 2 layers of the lipstick right now and you guys can see it's still very nice and lightweight. Definitely a signature look. And I do love how the lipstick itself has a little bit of a gloss to it. So it's not, you know, just matte. It has a sheen, a little bit of, you know, glow to it. And that's perfect for the clean girl makeup look because you are going for that natural glow. And of course you need a makeup to match that. So it's definitely on point in that category. And the final product we're gonna finish up the clean girl makeup look is, of course, by Merit. And it is a gorgeous like tinted lip oil. This is in the shade Marrakesh. And look how gorgeous she looks. Just look at that. It's definitely gonna add just a little bit of color, a tint to the lip. Since I use a neutral color, which is that brown L'Avenue. So I'm just gonna go all over the lip with that. The glide. Their products are just so creamy. Glides on so nicely. I'm gonna concentrate a little towards the middle so we can get more of, you know, an ombre look going on, ombre effect. And I absolutely love you guys. Let's put on some setting spray, tie the look together, and we're done. Now I literally just use my NYX setting spray. You do want more of like a dewy setting spray again so you can give that natural glow from your makeup. And this is the entire look. I absolutely love how it came out. This is definitely, you know, the clean girl look that I was going for. And of course, I feel like it would not turn out this great if it wasn't for Merit's beautiful products, as well as that Signature Lip lightweight lipstick that I used. Of course, I will put all the names of the products below. You can shop my affiliate link for all the Merit products I told you guys about today for this look. And we tied it together. Obviously, clean girl is not only about the makeup, but you also want, you know, a nice sleek low bun. So definitely got that going on. And then also very minimalistic jewelry. I just went for, you know, a little bit of gold. And to go with my neutral vibe, I did a little bit of this, you know, neutral little bodysuit in taupe. But that's wrapping up the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and let me know, you know, what you think of it, if you're gonna recreate it. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next video. But until then, bye guys.